Hello, how are you doing today? I'm so glad you find my channel. Okay, so before we start, I just want to let you know that this video it's part of the series of the video training where I have been teaching how to build a nice, clean, professional website. So if you haven't seen those videos prior to this one, I would like you to make a pause and watch those videos before, because those videos that I made before is gonna help you how to set up a website on the Wix, how to do content design, update your template that you choose, and also I talk about the search engines optimization, which is very important, and also I show you how you optimize your website for mobile. Okay, so I strongly recommend to watch this video because this is the last video where we gonna go live. If you have been watching all this training so far and you are in the last video, congratulations, because today you're gonna make your website live with me. Because what I'm gonna doing today, all the website that we have been building during the training, I'm gonna publish and make that live today. So congratulations. So if you are watching this video for the first time, I'd like to introduce myself to you. My name is Justiniano Alves and I'm a senior software developer, and then I have been working more than a decade as a senior software engineer. Help different organizations such as finance, healthcare, e-commerce, consulting, all of that. But now I decide to share all my knowledge with you all. So I hope this training is helpful. But without talking too much, let's dive into work and let's make this website live. Okay, sounds good. So now I'm gonna share my screen with you. Okay, and then I'm gonna sign in into my Wix account. We have been doing that all the meetings, so there's no more to talk about this. And then one thing that I stress to speak before you go live, you need to test. You have to be good and to test your website very well, because the quality and ensuring of your product is what's gonna make your customer, your clients to love your product. Okay, so you have to test. And then, so as always, let's go here to the edit. Okay, and here edit, if you haven't published the website, so now you're gonna publish the website, because the trial the video I make a lot of change, but I never published the website. Okay, here in the Wix publish website, it just is process. So all you have to do is click here, publish, and then it's done. It's already published. And then you have to check your website live, how it look like. Okay, so it's published, and then I think it's look amazing. I think we did a great job. The website looks good. Let's see if I can play the video. Okay, wow, look, it's amazing. I think during this training we did a great job to build this amazing website, and I hope on your end you build your own website. You're not just being watching the training, but while you watch the training you are building your own website, because that's my goal, is for you to be able to build your own website. Okay, so I can tell you that everything looks good to me, because I have before the video, like always, I did my homework. There's a little bit things that I can do to improve, but it's nothing that I can avoid me to go live today. Okay, I'm ready to go live today, and I'm so excited about that. Okay, there are more change that I have to do, and I know, and I can tell you, but I just want to go live to show you how this works. Like this description, I have to change that for something else, or maybe delete it. And also another thing that I'm gonna be changed, the login, this theme, it's not the one that I'm using, so it has to be changed as well. And then what else? There's a couple of things, but that's what we say, that it's work that we have to do post-launch. Okay, so now let's go live. Okay, to go live, okay, let's go here. It's very important to you to review your settings to see what's missing. Okay, so I think what is missing is connect your website to the domain. I know, because I didn't do that yet. And then when you go down below, it says okay, invite people roles. Okay, now for now I'm the only one working this project in this website, so okay, it's fine. I know this step has been done, but it's fine. but also the analytic data. Analytic data, I have been set up the analytic data. It's not a part of the training, but also I cannot do that before I connect to real domain. Okay, so don't worry about that. But one thing that it was a part of the first video training how to set up, it was the 5 icon, but that one I couldn't do it because the website was a free version. On the free version you cannot change the like the 5 icon. So now I can do that. So first I have to connect to the domain. When I connect to the domain, I will be able to change the 5 icon. Okay, first we have to connect to the domain. Okay, so let's do that. Let's go ahead and connect to the domain. Okay, so okay, we can go from here, connect to the domain here. So it says to buy new one or to connect to one. I already have a one, so I'm gonna say connect to one. But one thing that I want to tell you, if you have a buy the plan, the subscription, it won't ask you to buy first before you get into this page. Okay, so now I'm gonna put on my domain here, IStageON.com. okay, IStageON.com. okay, let's go. And that is trying to find my domain. Okay, let's see. So now he asked me if my domain, I bought it through the Google. Yes, I bought that on Google for sure, because I think each different server, it gives you a different way to set up. Okay, so now what I'm gonna, so I will have to follow up these steps, okay, in order to connect the domain. Okay, so now I'm going to domain the Google, okay, and then I'm gonna say my domains. Actually I have a different account. I'm gonna to go to the digital KT with, because it's that account that I use to buy all the domains. So you're gonna see a lot of domain here. So, okay, no problems. Some of them is about to expire. Okay, so let's IStageON. So let's go to the manager as it says, and then you go to the DNS. And then if you see here, when you go to the DNS, it told me that I have this current server name and I have to change to this. Okay, and then just next to the server, click that button. Okay, not the one. I'm gonna use the custom one, and then for the custom one I'm gonna just copy this one, place it here. Okay, I have to add another one before I save. Come here, copy, and turn it here, and then now save. Yes, change name server, turn off DNS before changing name server. Okay, I'm gonna save that anyway. So okay, I don't think that's really matter for me right now. The most important, as the week says, just change those servers to this one. And then when you change that, you have to verify that. Wix will tell you if you did everything that you're supposed to do. Okay, congratulations, your domain is connected right now. But here's the thing, you might not see the change right away. What I mean by that, I might try to get this domain and see if I can pull the website right away. It might didn't happen, because so I think locally here on my computer it happened, but sometimes it can take up to 48 hours for your domain configuration to spread to the network, and you will be able to connect to your website. But we are lucky, so right away my website now it's live to the IStageON.com. okay, congratulations everyone who has been taking this training, and now the website is live, and I hope you're gonna go ahead and make your website live again. Again, my name is Justiniano Alves, and please thumbs up this video if you like it, and also subscribe to my channel. Okay, so before I leave to you, I very much thank you for you to take this training, and please, if you have any questions related to this training, all you have to do is reach out to me. Also, you can reach out to me through the email info@IStageON.com. Also, you can reach out to me to the Facebook page IStageON.com. We can schedule a live training for me to answer all the questions that you have. Okay, and also if you want to learn something deeply, send an email, and then I will set up one-on-one meeting, and I will help you as much as I can. Okay, Thank you so much again, and it's been a pleasure to have you in my channel and learn again how to build a nice, clean, professional website. Goodbye, and I will see you in the next training that I will come up with. Thank you. Bye-bye.